5 amakuru agacencwire agutwa kurundanira izoberi orkuzaga kusyaho Elias Rutugusa hamwe na Lois Gava worumo rw'obonero bitutakaga kukizeho mbwijwire reka tukorece ebikore byija bwebembire gacencwire kireki babiri batazibwe njubu wayaraganisa kubakwateraho ahazirwa rumor kasese
kandi kitongoresha Uganda Wildlife Authority tuzakushashurira virus z'amarwariro
abantu mukaganu bakwatwa kakoko kasiri mu burushaha abashwerine bashabwe kumanyamagara gabo
18 people have reported HIV since
University kwize ya Vision Group okutanduko kwezuko university zashabwe kujejumbira.
Areas that they ask you is really wide, and that is why the quiz helps you become an exposed person.
Inyongera okutanjera omakuru gita gacencwire kandi agutwa kurundanira izoberi uruga kusyaho ndi Elias Rutugusa hamwe na Lois Gava oworumi orw'obonero abantu babiri batazibwe njubu etorokere omwirindiro ry'enyamishwa erya Queen Elizabeth National Park omu district ya Kasese aba ni John Owe ow'emyaka 56 hamwe na Junior Bwambare ow'emyaka 17.
Enjubu ekutariza abantu babiri abarujura mu cyaro cya Kisagaziro omuri Nyamwamba division municipality ya Kasese kandi aba ebashanjiro mu mwanya gurya heru yirindiro ry'enyamishwa erya Queen Elizabeth National Park.
Turisize turi musha turisize turi abantu nibatera amabara ari Nyamwamba mu mayisi ariko twagenda twikanga twahikayo abaserikali bagamba batonga tanje kutera amabara eryo mayisi atwagitanga gutera amabare ya rugomezi yatanga kwirukanze abantu uko kujemo gomosha kya mujema yatanga kumusharasha mugaro meza abaserikani bareba tene kibako nango na kimwe kaza kumusharasha yaga kumurga wabona kutera amasasi
ngasaba abewuwa batuwatikaye batuhobuyambi situwiteki sicho cyatuhambireko tukasaba abewuwa batuwatikaye twangalangira kutwamatwanira omwana wayi yabwambale ilunya namukolo mubiri wiwe isasi ecyangamu byako.
Bashiru Hanji oryo mugambirizo w'ekitongore cy'urukurinde nyamishwa echa Uganda Wildlife Authority yahamya amakuraga kandi nagira ngo ekitongore nikiza kubashashura ebishare by'irwariro byona.
Enjubu tugira mu Queen Elizabeth National Park yazo mu communities abantu abaherere park yafutaza abantu babiri abantu abatugambira abariyo batunga mu bijanjabi kandi kitongere cya Uganda Wildlife Authority tuzakushashurira virus z'amarwariro kandi uvukosa abantu abane bija kurihirwa.
Hanji nagira ngo government yamazire kubaneta ho muringo yo kuzoberenya mishwa ezurukurwa mu marindiro gazo konke zimwe nizaraba mu kiwaya cy'amashanyarazi ayico kuba kitari
tugeze gukora abinji ukurebeka ngo tanga inyamishwa utashobora umupaka zikazo mu bantu zikaza kubanyangaraza zikaza kubafutaza kubasisira ibyo kuri yakebyo twinemu muri ibyo twine singinji y'amashanyarazi tombeka emifreje twaragana n'aba scouts tutendeka aba scouts aba n'abari mu communities tubahaye bikwato
obwahati ababira babarga yirwaro rya St Mary's Hospital erikushanga mu town ya Kasese ayibarimo n'abatunjira obujanjabi omugande makuru ekitongore cy'urukujunanizi bwo kurebuza omutindo gw'emibazo mu ihanga echa National Drug Authority kikinjira amaduka ningashigete pharmacy z'emibazi enche cyenda na mukago mu district sina ezaburengerwa izoba abo kuguza emibazi omu bihenda biragiro
twakwatana abantu babiri emisango twagiteka polisi abo babiri bacwire biragiro ekiragiro kitukweta National Drug Policy and Authority Act so tujja kubatwara mu koti NDA niyongera kutera abantu omuranga nti mwani mugure mbazi mwinagigura mubikaro ebina license
omukikwekwe tweki abantu babiri bakwasurwe kandi bokusigana 85 z'emibazi ziri kubarirwa mu miliyoni 85 nizo zikwasirwe omu district na zaburonje bwizoba ziri mu ntungamo Kamwenje Rubirizi hamwe na Kisoro.
Unlawful possession of classified drugs contrary to Section 27, subsection 2 of National Drug Policy and Authority Act, CAP 198. And then the second one is carrying out the business of a pharmacist without a license, contrary to Section 14, subsection 3 of National Drug Policy and Authority Act.
Tusobola omuwa amagezi nti mu ngeri yokka gy'osobola okumanya nti no drug shop oba edduuka eryo ly'ogendamu nga lirina eddagala liri mu mateeka w'ogendamu sooka otambuze ku maaso weetegereze mu dduuka eryo oba mulimu license NDA gy'egaba.
And for pharmacies, the licenses normally run for 3 years. When you license them, they are valid for 3 years, but within the 3 years, when someone has a license, we keep going there to inspect, we do support supervision, and also post-marketing surveillance.
Abantu bashaba buri muntu arikuguza emibazi okukura terebera gira byatirwaho NDA okugira ngo amagara g'abantu tugaza harutezyo gasha kwa Gilbert Mahanguzi na Anita Atukunda.
Mwebare abanyamakuru bitu ntugumizamo abebembezi ba Guru University basima Vision Group abo kwijana n'istekateko eco kutandikaho University quiz eco bari kugira ngo eyonjire kutungura ahabwonko bw'abana kandi yahindura na university ey'umutano kandi oranganwa. Vision Group hone simirwe ahabwo kwereza abana ba university umugisha ubwo kutunjura obukugu omu bitongore byayo ningashi jete internship. Abebembezi ba Guru University bahamya kubetebekaniso kwetabo mu mpaka za Guru University kwizi ezo mwakogo ezirumune zitebekanisibwa Vision Group kandi empakezi nizija kwetabwa mu university zitari zimwe na zimwe.
You've really lifted our students. You've kept them afloat. You've given them your backs and we are grateful. We are so happy to other sponsors like Bank of Uganda that are coming in. Incidentally, today I've just heard they're even going to offer our students internship.
Abeji ba university bashabwa kwejo no mu gishogo okweyureka ensi yone kibineho kandi nano kukozesa mu gishogo okwego kweyicerezamo no kwekushaba bashomesa okureba ngo abana baba banjira n'ekiro kwetengesa.
The moment it seems like for them they have just jumped from squatting to jumping. And that's a great opportunity that they have gone extra miles. And this extra mile has been because of their brain, but also this brain was nurtured by the groups that came in to support us. Of course, I also want to definitely appreciate our lecturers, the environment around that is nurturing these students.
Empaka za university kwize zo mwaka guhwire zikasingwa Guru University kandi aba bahayo kugumana n'ekikopo obwe barukongera aha mutindo obwenje na n'obukoryo obayorekero buhwire. Empakezi nazihagirwa Uganda Communications Commission, Bank of Uganda,
and as Bank of Uganda
Vision Group.
Broaden your understanding that when somebody asks you and you come and you are looking into your computer and you find something has changed, don't first call somebody to come and see that, hey, my friend John, come and see. What is it? No. Think first. You are an allied, a university student, and you log into, you log into your computer.
First, we license, regulate, and supervise financial institutions. And we've got about 5 or 6 tiers of these financial institutions. The first one is what we call commercial banks.
Robert Owagonza yashaba bejo kweyicerezamo no kwekuhamya ngonka Bank of Uganda no kureba ngo emihendo y'ebintu tiyayihanika na no kurinda entungo kayihanga.
And as Bank of Uganda, this is very, very important because our mission is to promote price stability and a sound financial system in support of socio-economic transformation in Uganda. You all need to go and buy a ream of paper at a certain price and go back after 6 months and find it to be around the same price.
Max Adi orikwebembera projects za Ultimate University kwizi ya Vision Group ya habarabeje ba university abarukuzo mu kwizeji okushoma betegurire cy'urukumara.
Olw'ensonga universities endala zonna zijje nga zetegese bonna bawaga bonna bagamba nti university quiz season eyokusatu tugenda kujja nga tuli bamalirivu n'olw'ensonga eyo tubagamba nti buli lwe tuyita abayizi okujja mu mpaka zino e Kampala tubawa buli kyonna ekyetaagisa tubawa transport abaleeta n'abazaayo tubalabirira wawe bagenda okusula ne ekintu ekikwatagana n'okulya ebyo byonna tubikolako.
Oguhona yagamba naha bintu ninga topics ezirabe nizibuuzibwaho mu kwiza egi.
There are different areas that the university students should concentrate on, but we tell you that actually the participants who come for the ultimate university quiz are normally the A students, but these are the areas that you should look out for. Finance and banking, it is very important. Look out for micro and macroeconomics. These are issues that are national but also global. So you should be well aware of some of these issues. You need to be enlightened with current affairs. You need to know what is happening both nationally and internationally. Global issues, you need to be on top of those. The other areas of discipline includes environment, climate change. You need to be aware of technology and whatever is happening in the area of technology.
Ndio mweji aha Gulu University kandi ntwenda kwa manzangu turiyo ntwija quiz university quiz twija namani minji kandi twija kusinga nito twasinjiro ogwahwire nituzagaruka mutusinge tuza kubarebayo mwije mwe na university zona
twala omukisa guno okubategeeza mwena mwena abayizi bannaffe ku universities endala nti nate era tukomawo omwaka guno okweddiza engule yaffe eya quiz mwetegeke.
Ultimate quiz y'omwaka ogu neija kutandika ebiro mushanju by'okwikumi leero zihendere birabiri na mushanju eby'okwezi kwikumi na kumwe. Abebembezi ba kare nanye ninyongerayo iraka aha matendekero n'ingashi universities okureba ngo mwayetaba omu university quiz eyo mwaka ogu neja kuba netandika omu kwezi kwikumi. Twagumizamo na namakuru Agacencwire abanya-Uganda abarukutunga akakoko kasirimu ombaro gwabo nugweyongera kandi abantu mukaga nubo barukwatwa akakoko kasirimu Borshaha. Ebigambo rwo rukura akaciko aka Uganda AIDS Commission obwabire naganiraho n'abashwerine umushomo gwo kubijusya ebiragane bakozire obabire nibatanduka obushwere bwabo.
Dr. Ruth Senyonyi arukurra kachiko ka Uganda AIDS Commission nayorekire obuhinza mutuma ahabwombaro gw'abanya-Uganda abarukuturwa akakoko ka sirimu okweyongera.
6 people in Uganda get HIV every hour. So we came here at 7, it is now what? 10. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 3 hours times 6 is what? 18 people have gotten HIV since we sat here.
Aho no Dr. Senyonyi ahigira abashwerine okutamburira omushana kandi bareke okukunda ebyensi bikabaremesa obushwere.
One of the things that has become very common, of course, today in this world, and that's the world out there. Let it not be our world. A woman dresses, you know, there is this word that came into our language, sexy. Oh, that looks sexy. So you dress to be sexy. Huh? Really? You dress to be sexy. And everywhere you pass, people are looking at your cabina, they are looking at your what, and you are actually,
Ebi babigambire omushomo gw'abashwerine ogutebekanisibwe aba The Bible Society of Uganda Ankole branch n'ekigendererwa ky'okushongora banyinamaka.
But you are committed. I'm committed to stay. I take her as is.
So, then there is financial. For richer, poorer. Okay? I'm sure some of you have known, or even some of you have gone through the experience. You start out well, and everything seems to be, we have a job, we have this, we have that, we have plans. Lo and behold, the job is lost. Isn't it? The job is lost. But the job being lost is not the marriage being lost. It's not.
arikurira ihururu y'abashwerine mu Uganda Paul Boson nagira ngu amaka agarukushaba kumwe nikigahwera okuguma n'obusingi.
First objective is to encourage all delegates at these conferences to live out their own marriages faithfully in accordance to God's standards set out in His Word.
This is Isaiah from chapter 36 to chapter 66. The Bible in full for the brain has 40 of these, one Bible, and it costs 2 million.
Aba bahigira abanya-Uganda okushagika emirimo ya The Bible Society okwongera okwisya abatura Bible rukwera n'abantu okongera kumanya ekigambo kya Mukama. Nde Michael Tumwakire abwa TV West Agacencwire.
Webare Michael Tumwakire umurebi witu wa TV West umurunji ni kusima aho kuturebera hona kandi webare na nokutorana okureba TV West tuchiriyo mu makuru Agacencwire konka twaza kubanza tumureho tugaruka na makuru gandi agarukurataho umuhinji w'urutoke kandi umurisa w'impuno na nebyenyanja aketera ho akatare kebyaro kurumurka bwo heshema
Nigenda ziyameche. So, tero kunyaso mugugu.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Kurukubujwireje turkwitaga no kugamba aba original garments bari sirimpinduko mu kujwara nibajwe kabashija nabojo hamwe n'abana na perfume zone bine suits z'umurembe ezimbaga eza office amasata gagumire na t-shirts empare za office hamwe na za casual wear denim jeans hamwe na shirts jumpers na sweaters z'umurembe bine na shorts hamwe na belts enunji abarkwenda vests boxers hamwe na socks z'original kiraba original garments abashija enkito zanye nunji eziri original eza office sneakers hamwe na flats original garments nibashangwa hala Grand Mall Mbarara City a High Street ahamwa rugo kubanza room namba ya kana note mshanju 82 emwe mshanju mukaga note na note mshanju note emwe mshanju mukaga note
habwa mpenko ni kombucha drink na mpenko ni Star Laundry Bar Soap ni nyowo Stuart Karisa director kandi omwana w'obukama bwa toro okuruga mu isaza lya cyaka nintwara omugisa guno okutabarukya Dr. Oyonyimba Kabamba Iguru nintabarukya abantu ba toro inywena nintabarukya Queen Mother Best Kemigisa Akiki nintabarukya ababito n'ababito kati amacumu nebitara byarukira basayija omukama wa toro nintabarukya abantu batori nywena na cyaka isaza ryange okutwara hamu hangiriza omukama wa toro hangiriza rukira basayija
Skylight Hotel eresora uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City ahi barukwereza breakfast ngakatogo omelette Rolex shumbusha chapati chai yamate eyo mukaru akatunda ko murembe nebindi
bineyo na cyamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi ihangwe nibateke nkoko embuzi echenyanja muchamo obushaza akaro ekitoche echozi emondi greens obutura eshwiga kandi echo kunywa nikigenderaho
hey manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe aha bei nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV security rije kandi parking ne yemarira
bine bara yo murembe pool pool table, sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel neshangwa Omurimbarara City wahingura kace aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete ijukangu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera notu mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga notu mushanje notu mukaga 36 36 33
wakozesa momo nobu inamani go kushashuje biwagura ulikozesa simu yawe hatari okuteganisibwa yimata star emwe mukagitano star 3 hashi ninga sho scanning code ku downloadinga momo app kushashuje kintu chona hari okuteganisibwa na change kandi kiri kukiraho sente zako ho wabo ine cyo kushashura nubasa kongera hazi wabo ine ulikozesa momo advance ejo niyo momo amani agari kuretera kukiraho.
Ikintu cyo kunywa aza mwana bategerize ubundi
konka mwana mazumorya hano bari bategerize mu mbagano mangwe shazakire wansuko mu motoka iriyo nenyusi yo gwija hakunywa
mucyara unama utatinda ndenda ngubije bakuroze hakunandanywa uriye cyatuma naguma hano shoka mufundurira kahurire
Kamwana tera chairman wembaga akongeza binako kishahemu ito twe tuyon tuno diplomat akatuka kanusira hanga wanje
ukanyiha ambi mucyara ndabagine diplomat ebindi byayenda bireje bigende ndabagine nintere ekorwa ba diplomat habo America Limited ekoze ko mu mugusha entanga wuzi inanasi ukochi ihamigwa ba UNPS.
Mothers of Africa.
Mama, will I ever be the best doctor in Uganda?
Well, you've got to be like a geisha bar. Staying strong and go on so far. Never give up till you reach your goal.
Okay, Mama. I'll be strong and go so far. Lasting long like this geisha bar.
Strong and last long.
Like geisha.
Hayes recruitment experts jobs abroad n'amashemerwa menshi n'abatabarusi yabona abafuna visas bakatambura kandi benjera kubanyisa abantu mwena ngo imihendo yabo ebachazire mpaka miliyoni 2.9 mega discount byona biwire harimo visa air ticket emishana mirungi munonga okora cyenyonye omu Dubai emirimo nkaba customer service airport security aviation stewards check-in agents, landing grounds guides, and aircraft cleaners. Okuhandisa no kwabusha ahamirimo yona ahamataji gabogona.
Esimu note mushanje ina note emwe ibiri ishatu ina itanu mukaga ninga note mushanje ina itanu ninga note mushanje ina note rukumi.
Manager, ogito wagito. Konka batu mu kidara, kabataka jiremo. MC takiziri. DJ achumwe na wiring ebyoma. Tugumisize shanki ibiri.
Bantu mareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha. Twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju. Tikizana ngo okushara cake ni shamushanju. Nizeze nyine. Iyo ni shara cake tukazakunywa mbogo.
Na wapenzi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo. Nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda nigende mbogo yoka. Nembogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekolera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshahara zanje.
Tabarukayo okwe omukahumuro ntugumizamo na namakuru kandi ageshwekeki abanya-Uganda bashabirwe okwejumbira omu buhingi n'oburisa oburumwe kibaro babariya bukuganyirwa mu kihango. George Mugisha okuruga kabwo heshema tumushanjire ahafamu ye ahari kuhinga akarise mpuno hamwe na ebyenyanja.
George Mugisha w'obindi bakumanya nkacyaro manyo akozereho na government akahumura kazomu kushubura kandi nako kakureka kazomu buhinji no burisa akwatanise no mukazi we Christine Mugisha bakatanike byo buhinji no burisa kandi bakefuza geshaha nimwe
icyo kubanza ebyo kuhinga no biryo mwene kwita tubura byo kurya twinga turya kandi tuyamba nabanda abanaku abakuba batine byo kurya ishaka biri inshaje tugaruka tuguza so tari ukwifuza nakaci kandi nokorra notine bugubugu uyekozesa ukora ubu yenzire mwenu ushango ino bugwaje
stade ntura shemerirwe munonga akwa buri kimwe cyone hati ejininka pension yanje uguze kitoke icyo ntomushaho naguza amate naguza dodo ejin pension so uko no kushemererwa konga
Charumanyana hingo rutocho rya hikitano kandi buri kwezi nateme bitoci 20 byaba bitari mu bihundwire ogwa kagere kitekateko cyo kubo muhinja atyo yakopa amagezi ga president Museveni nago kutamwe kibaro nokwe kuguzente ziyabira ine zuru kurenga 100 konkar kuzihamwe amatemace yatunge kikacurunji eco rukumuhereza R25 buri zoba buri nte
inente kama 20 ezenzungu yaba niba kweta cross yakanga iti cross yakanga
yani ka cross ya yani yakashato yani yakana
kongazo kama amatemace R5 mukaga mushango so twaguma tutambura ntureba farmers abandi ko bakora batujira ngo atuhindure hybrid so hati twatambura baturagiye rente yaruze ngo bakeke urusyo go obshenyi nondizo tukazugura umshari mamwita hamu nabono ari ubshenyi hari na keke urusyo ainente nkiga na zenzungu hatu wainente chikechi ezukamache noreba no muhakugusha ezukama ritanki 12 umuntu mukasheshe 12 mwaje cyangwa ryo mu bitabira n'itano narabone zisi 15 wanoze ebinyasi bigi
ubwa nyuma yo kureta entezi akazombekere cija har kurundanira amashaka gakora mbayo gasi yo kutekesa atajire kushashura amashanyarazi ninga kugura amakara
Agareta nakahuba baga mixinga to the level when it is diluted, when it's like drinkable porridge, not thick, not very diluted. Then after they have mixed it, they make sure they remove stones, grass, so that it is only cow dung. Then they open this hole here, then the mixture goes to the biodigester. Now this area you see here is a biodigester. It's a huge one.
Okumanya ngo cyarumanye bintaka bitamwe kibaro omashaga square kurugamwa ati amashaga janze ya mwenkari abishiko mu rutoke no miserendijo kandi ogutakagura gafatara izizoba narumwe
atkuba kweza kuzwanze amashahari
amasha
geja umwanyugu umunjweji ekineki ekibakweta biodigester ichukamura amasha hakagakabira hakaragamu gasi eritaptu aho pipe iri kugitwara omunzu then hati ebyasigara gasi yasigara karunduka umbwato hari yahanze hati ngokora nagambire biodigester nekora nkenda y'umuntu koko kurenda y'umuntu kukuza kuri ibyo kurya ehamukirisa kizo mushagama ebyasigara gasiya obushobozi so eje niyo renka gasiya eri kurugomba biodigester aza gasiya eje rumaniwa nungi
natugera ngutoru kubasa kama yo tarisize kandi cyarumanye nteze yakazombekere cyo self contained nazita no mwirwaro kandi burukasheshe zinaho kurira umunyu aho kunywera amizi hamwe naho kumura
evente z'enzungu nizenda zibyameje so itero bunyaso mu gugu byarubikira hati ziriro mbwatwa zeniyaha kandi zo zahamanyirira
mwashanga kwari
aha mu gugu hati zirero obumazi no butagasi zereka muri ziriro bwaje azaza kajamate zikurarageze kajamate
okumanya ngo kwinga no kurisa tukurkwetenga sente nyinji cyarumanya kaza kabwohe bahangahanga koma ko kusebinyasi byente President Museveni arkweta science, innovation and technology.
Ingine yo kureba nango tekorwa hari ikakorwa kabuhe kabuhe umwami bakweta warimpa system yone umwami bakweta warimpa no ya fabricating de ingine ya China so netuyamba shari nyasi ko kwareba na mnongo ikibingo twine kibingo anka eka zibiri z'ikibingo nyuma so nabasigaza mu bakireta burikasheshe twicara tucherezemo
ogwa kashatura hecweka cyahika hitakarye atiyo ataho project y'empune zari kutugira ngo akatandika n'empune 13 kandi umwaka gumwe necweka akaba inempune 250 no bindi bari kunuga empune ngunendofa ezacyarumanya n'ushangu nazinabisa omo kunkaka kodionkaka
echikuretere empune zaba clean zabe clean umunyakore kubenyonjo icyo kubanza aizi kurara aizi kusiba si no basa kuzikorera twine imyanya emiringo ebiri kuzikorera cement konka narishi kuziteka aha bizoro byenanka ya bizoro si twezi tunzirara bizoro cement hazecho nikiziyamba ziguma zino zitine burufa kandi cya kabiri umukozi burizo kasheshe ibyo bivuze kuba bisigireho nabihamu namiza mabagihamu na agaze kundi agihamu tugatwara gakoresha kamanua
bwa nyuma y'akatare k'empunu kuba kake ogwa katamweche baro kandi ubwa hata nashubure byana byazo ahari yaba bari kwenda kutunga kandi buri impunu ne muhamago baga miliyoni 3 mu mwaka yaguze byana byayo ngo ahabwo kuba wayenda kuguze nkuru no bakusera kandi uba wakora rose
uze byana nego baje munonga kashiyo nakugira impunemu nezareme emirundi 3 mu mwaka hata emirundi 3 mu mwaka yane kuzare byana ka average 10 ne byana 13 aha mitwari 10 zini miliyoni 3 hashiyo impunemu no basa kujigura bo bakujigura ni ngoro kajigura mitwaro nkatano nkaga hata mwaka ka miliyoni 3 nangwa ke kwibiri uyaweze byo kurebe berire na neza umukozi na neza ukugireberera nego beracu
ubwo kumanya ngwe cyaburo cya president Museveni akacito mu nkora enyuma y'enjo akatayicuzuba cye byenyanja ahari kwihebye nyanja 500 burukusharura ngo abantu mukunda kweshunga cyarumanya yakwata nona go mukankana gwe n'umugataheshande nambwenu twashanga jirunzuro mu nshonda kandi yatugambira habwenci
nekirisa cy'urugi katuma kagati mutandukano harimo kirisa nkatambe nzoka ukweza ubwo cyo umuntu bajya mukatamana za sukari na za pressure na ziri
ubwo mukankana
n'umukankana gutoki
kushara
manyenda netaga umbero gwetaga karakata ibikushara ibikunurira ibyo nebenda nebyetaga
n'ubucyarumanya n'umukazi we Christine batari kwefuza kuzombi obuhinji n'oburisa konka hino buzubo babugine
abakozi batarirayo kozi nakoraho kake abirgo abakozi bitu bakufayo nanayitaga ngo supervising all the time kabiri of course tukatishira system ya irrigation ubwirego cyanda ibintu bitwata mushana bitwata atoshanga ibintu byafa abo butagira ukufuhirira mizi icyo tukakigizire kashatu akatare akebintu bitu nkebitoki akatare nakacendera bwira bwa umweru ushanga ibitoki biri 12 13 ubu nabo kuvugura bataro bicubura kanoshanga byatembebe so akatare kebyo kurya akatare k'impunurso
nyobo habuze bw'inkuhereza abacara kora n'abashija babo n'abama babo n'ikiyamba akuba na family yona n'abana bakorana bareba mu ruhabamwe kibayamba nabo ncyakare nyese yo makagabo ushangana bakwatanisa n'abashija babo mwene cyo kintu cyo n'ikiyamba munonga
nabwa nyuma yahereza government ya Uganda ubwenje yabanenda kwiha abantu mbworo kurabirombye ubuhinji no burisa
niyo government mbinte byese mikuteka teka no kongera umutindo abinte byaguruka cyashika cyero munonga kureba ngo twagera amakororo agakongera umutindo abinte byaguruka cya mwene keje factory ibatandikire Nyaruzinga factory keje nungi yabanegure bitoke bikurwa mu mwanya akaragamo isano akaragamo za chips akaragamo imigati ungano reba naye kanafara no shatere gutegura bingi tukatakureba ko nibyo rugura so ni cyetaga factories ezugure bintu bya agurukasha bakabyongera mu mutindo nkempunu hatu twabitwe na factory ezo gukora za sausage zo gukora za bacon harimo products nyingi abachayina n'abazungu zibakwiha umumpuno kungitwe bitakora
okumanya ngo mushijo ogu n'omukazi w'ebiina amagezi n'ekibaro bakatandikaho akatare k'ebyokurya karikumanywa nka Kitojo Food Market akarikushangwa aha ruguuto rwa Kabuwehe Bushenyi batyo baataho kyarimanya pork joint okugira ngu ebintu byabo barikuhinga n'okuriisa babiganyurwe mu kihango. Amakuru aga gashakwa Michael atwakire.
Webare Michael atwakire aha bwembozi nungi kandi kwasire aha by'obuhinji hamwe na n'oburisa. Twagumizamu na namakuru Alhaji Moses Kigongo kandi omuhwezo wa chairman w'ekigombe ekya NRM mu ihanga arigire yahiga abantu ba NRM kurwo mu kuryana bakabikintu kimwe kandi bakagirana n'enkwatanisa nungi.
Ebyona Alhaji Moses Kigongo abigambiro bwabire nabuganaho bamumbebembezi pa NRM nabo ababire besimbiro mu karuru ka primaries kandi orukiiko rubira Riverside omuru kungira municipality. Alhaji Moses Kigongo omuhwezi wa chairman w'ekibiina kya NRM mu ihanga hamwe na minister Jim Muhwezi bagira ngo abantu ba NRM bine kugira enkwatanisa nungi bakatwara ekibiina kya NRM mu misho.
Atubaki kwendekera obukyali Batubwegekera obukyali sagala abantu mubeere mu bukyali ali kulonde na mu bukyali leka ffenna tubeere wamu abantu beize n'abasaasa leero tutwale ekibiina kyaitu omu maisho nanye endagazi nguruzumbaha amaana kutwine nyowe na furaha nimwe twagata hamwe atukuvumbura indagarisa za kurukwata hei yeigana pasenti
baba bire besimbira hantebe yo kwate bendera ya NRM aha bwishaze rya rujumbura harimo Frank Rukanirwa bagarukine basharamo kushagika abo bona abakwatire kigombe cya NRM ebendera
muzo mu bantu bashogororere bihe bishuba ebitahishira mubagambire ngufaranga no wa NRM independent y'ikibina so NRM and yafse in NRM so icyo bizatse
ko mwameruka n'uki yakora no kwenda gufata itu ya NRM nze gutangura umisho kandi tukunze muhango twurira kugaruka kanurwa kiri kibi kuyaho kwatanisa n'abantu ahabwembera nungi aba NRM okurondera fraga BRS ogwebembezi ngasukira abapasi fraga yitu ya NRM
mbwene cyabo nyuna chimera abo kuba bamwe omuryabo n'abantu abatwirene bagambe bingi bibi ari NRM aza bikwenda kutanura mbwene cyamanyisa ngo bubijaho mu rwatu bakatwegita hito abatwirene barya ideology ya NRM cyamanyisa ngo byona byakugira ki byaza kubonera
amakuru aga gashakwa Dan Basit
basi byakiri omakuru Agacencwire kandi ninkusima aho kutureberaho na webare na nokutorana okureba TV West twazagaruka tumureho tujagaruka n'amakuru agandi.
Oino mukoronke mbaga yo kugitwa okwinjira graduation okusima enchiko za AGM nemikore ndijo yona abatina events bakuretera obuhereza bw'orurengo rwensi yona obwa decoration mega tents hamwe na tents zebike bindi byona akasente kenshiko tina events nibashangwa achombeko echa Central Market room nambi 17 ahari Mbaguta Street omurimbarara city okumanya birukiraho tera noti mushanjo mukaga hata no itano chenda na mwenda ananeina tina events nito twanko muri burengero rw'izoba abino buhereza bwo murembe akagambe wananyeka nabasinga
Ministry y'Obwegese n'Emizano eri kurabira omuntebekanisa ya Higher Education Students Financing Scheme nejusi yabona abaganyirwe omuntebekanisa y'okushomera hibanja kandi abucabujenye yabire bahirwe yahwireyo kumuhikiriza obujunanizwa bwanyu bw'okushashura roni okurugirira hakacweka akabirneshatu na 26 akiteka erya Higher Education Student Financing Act. Abakozesa ni mwe mwijucibwa kumanyisa ministry abantu abaganyira mu ntebekanisa y'ukushomera hibanja abari hamirimo yanyu nkuko biragiro birikuragira okwanga kuratera ebiragiro necurugiriraho emitango hamwe na za mutice ebirukiraho tera note ibira note mwenda note mukaga itano mukaga itano naritayira website yitu ahari www.education.go.ug shashuri ibanja ryawe eri washomireho kibase MP hakurebeka kandi no kwigoro rwiji ahabwa abanda beji abatine cashorera okwika habiroto byabo ebyo bwegese obuharurengoro
katochi no bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya hamutindo okurugeri izoba abantu banje tibarigaruka kugire nako hamutima ryaguma bina mashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya ecya katochi mugume munyweco katochi no bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya hamutindo katochi ina chama chayo muhute katochi yerya hamutindo Katochi alcoholic drink inuzire kandi terkuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho
norondo mwanya aho bugwaje buri kubugabugana umutindo twakwakira ahari The Arena Villas and Hotel shemererwa omuhereza burungi ubwo mutindo gwa higuru ubwo buraro umwanya guri kuretera wahurira nkoryo muka twine restaurant y'umutindo kandi nitkora coffee ey'umurembe hamwe na pizza ako kunywa karungi ahabara y'umutindo ubwo uri kura ubuhumuriro burungi ubwo utakarebaga parking nemarira kandi rinze rweje hariho na wifi ahabwo kuba ubusinje bwawe ni kikuru hari The Arena Villas and Hotel twine gardens z'umutindo The Arena Villas and Hotel no hurira nkoriyo mukabuzima ni cyangwa enyuma ya Shell Makinke aruguto rwa Masaka gamba nitwe ari noti 3 mwende 3 10 23 nkaga ni 5 ninga noti 2 noti chenda nina chinana ne 2 abiri ni 5
bafuteganize emirimo ekererirwe toka gubwine emirimo yarebeka enamba zitu ziruho zirikiriya emirimo yarebeka Dubai twenda security abojo twenda warehouse helpers twenda cleaners abishiki twenda cleaners abojo interviews zitu ziriho ebiriko mina mwendo mwezo ogu next week oine passport oli omwojo security job eriaha twenda bojo cleaners security omushara n'umurongi tutantira $2,000,000 warehouse workers omushara gwabo ngutantira $1,300,000 cleaners omushara gwabo ngutantira $1,300,000 input nakasente kacheno kabasa tutukirire interviews zitu zirihe 19 next week toka gubwine emirimo yarebeka tuteresmu nza kukwakira tukugambire cyo gukora
amazina banyitaka Chabewini shahe tsindukanye mpara mugomboro ya Kenshunga mu district ya Kiruhura nahereze natandika ka branch ka business nguko mukareba nashanga njye mu remote area etana amashanyarazi so na decidinga gukora na free solar na mpereza system yabo niho fridge niho haka TV kanje so tinyine nshonga na free solar
mweniwe oasaruni abamashomero abamaduka abazafamu n'abatunzi benkoko banyina maka abamabara na za hoteli tunga sora ya fresi rero kora magoba ijuka ngo nibagikushumikira bagikanike kandi bagaruza mekiri kusisikara aho gabusha free ebiri kukira hotela noti 8 noti hashatu na mukaga hatano na mushanju ngaga ni 5 eyabusha tema kaba tema nyota ilinda pepsi gerera joko wangu
ebirabo kakasa luvimbo awangula yava mu ddiro kaba temenyonta temenyonta kaba temenyonta kakasa luvimbo.
Temenyonta and win. Buy and drink any 300 ml Mirinda, Pepsi, 7-Up, Mountain Dew, or Evervest. Check under the ground and stand a chance to win from drones, Noah's, cash, borders, flat screens, and so much more. This promotion is valid for a limited time only. Terms and conditions apply.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
Uganda Cooperative Alliance neta cooperative kandi hamwe n'abantu mwena aha mukoro ogwa National Conference 2025 oguri kwija kuborwa kana 2018 by'ukwezi kwa mwenda aha chai cha kororo okubasa kwemurikira ibigozi bwo kwiseri izoba omugenyi mukuru mukoro ogwo naje kubumwe bimbizi wihanga Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ikigendererwa no kutongoza National Cooperative Savings and Credit Society Limited eyarugiremo National Cooperative Bank mwena nimwetwa aha mukoro ogwo.
Nitwakira omuri Rwambara Suits omwanya gw'obugwaje n'obuteka omuri Mbarara City hati twigwireho conference hall ey'omutindo gwa higuru enebyo kwejunisa omunchiko nka projectors no kurire kitongore no endo mwanya gwo gukoreramo za seminar board meetings n'ebindi omwanya ni Rwambara Suits Conference Center twine bishenje byo kuraramo eby'omutindo gwa higuru munonga single double hamwe na executive suites ebara y'omutindo restaurant naba chef baronje munonga nitshangwa ari proti 14 Mosque Road Mbarara City esimu noti mshanji noti 3 58 nshanji na mukaga anana munana ninga noti mshanji 5 noti emwe hashatu nemwe nshanji nina.
What's our topic today?
Kutambulanga chindaolovu.
Bera mokirasi. The biggest back to school promotion season 3 is here. Bera mokirasi.
When you buy Focus products worth 16,000 to 24,000 Uganda shillings, you win a bucket or basin. And when you buy Focus products worth 45,000 and above, you win a school bag and lots of other prizes. Move it. All day confidence.
This is a people's game. They will be bubbling about this one for weeks and months to come.
Wherever you are, whatever your reason, it's on SuperSport all season long. Get and stay connected to DSTV Compact and GoTV Super Plus with Kawiki available on DSTV and GoTV.
Mommy?
Yes?
At school, everyone crunching.
Nange kumulimu nga nkola. When I'm watching my kazanyo.
Anti ku highway nga mvuga. Sisumagire echo shuwa. Hani mwana muwe.
Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
This is a people's game. They will be bubbling about this one for weeks and months to come.
Wherever you are, whatever your reason, it's on SuperSport all season long. Get and stay connected to DSTV Compact and GoTV Super Plus with Kawiki available on DSTV and GoTV.
Big thing about the MTN Super. Wali yakapia musite wali yakapia. Wali yakapia. MTN kabo de super mustairo mpia.
Then you kabo the smartphone nebya kabibyonna. MTN kabo the super mustairo mpya. Then you kabo the smartphone nebya kabibyonna.
Yetungire kabo the super esimu nse ya smartphone. Lero tungeza GBs 16 zabusha. Tandikana deposit y'emtware na necweka. Lero zindo zishashure mpora mu bicweka. Buri izoba uri kushashura sente ziri hansi ya shiringi 10. Nobasa kushashura buri wiki nare buri kwezi. Kiriya hariwe turi hamwe amashemerero gitu tugine kizibira. Amateka n'ubushunshurece nibukuratirwa. MTN ni rebero Uganda Communications Commission.
Urukayo umukahumuro kandi amakuru ageshekeci abasako abashuku SACCO Limited batongozaho ehuru yo kugabira abamemba babo ensugo z'omwani okwetorora amataji gabo munana gona umucange ca ankore aba bakwatanise na n'ikigombe ekiri kugita abahinji ecabanyankore kweterana umuhureji kandi ensugo ezuru kwika 13 nazo zagabwerizo
Nechigenderwa cyo kongera intasiyo mchanga abashuku SACCO Limited batongoza hehuru yo kugabira abamemba b'abensugo z'omwani okwetorora amataji gabo munano mchanga ca ankore aba nibajara ngo ikintu bakikora kurebeka ngo bayongere intasiyo muri bamemba babo ekirayongera man SACCO eje yashuku omukweguza hamwe no kubika
tukatora namba memba batanu buri itaji buri memba nca kumuhereza omwani cuttings nangashobo okuba kumanya ko kushazire ibiganigana iminyeto n'abacara bagenda bahinga omwani bakwenda roni tubahereza roni bahinja omwani barasharira omwani gwabo bije baguze banyankore
aza twarinda ko kutire eseza y'omwani kutire miliyoni eshweka project y'omwani so twagira ngo twabahire sente be n'abandi nabo bagende baze kubyara rebo byarangase yabo yake
abashuku SACCO bakoragine na bekigombe cy'abanyankore kwetera no kutumwe ensugo z'omwani zo mutindo murungi kandi ogurukora kukakwera
kugira ngo twatanise tukore y'obuhingi kandi obongere bakore na financial services okwisya omba members bitu because ba member bitu kandi bo bari na ba member abashuku SACCO so turiyo tugabure seedlings izo banza kuba ntwetororo muri shema kandi n'abandi bayo nibakija konje kwakira zindi
ware baba member beitu enamba mpango n'abahinji bomwani buni tota bakwatire huntu bato bari yazamanye wakati wakwinga manu gonka bako bayino mwani nabayine nembuzi nabayine nente nabayine nortochi nebindi turangwa kwata hamani ko kuba kucigamba mu kashkuru kuyamani abantu binji
aba batandukana n'abakazi n'eminyeto kandi bamwe batunga omwana ogo hina bagamba hari SACCO yabo
umwaka gwa kabiri turi kukikora transacting nabo tubaha sente ezo ba extending loans omubahinji na munonga ab'omwani ekyo kituyambaho itwe nk'abanyankore kugira ngo abahinji abo baha sente ezo z'omwani baraheze kusharura umwana gwabo bagureta mu banyankore then ito banyankore already tuyino butare bwitu ahito kuzo mwana
SACCO etiyambire munonga akubana tubika yo sente zitu ngweni yaturetera omwani twafuna omwani teka twaza kubyara kandi tuza kutunguka
anisima abantu basuku SACCO abo kutuyamba tuyiha moroni mwena hata bathereza omwani ati twaza kuhinga abo kuba ndenda ati ndategereza kandi
ubwahati shuku SACCO Limited ine bamemba bari kuhingura omutwaro gumwe n'13 kwetorora amataji gabo 8 agarumwe rukuri rya Kishabya Nyihanga Bugamba Rwanyamukinya Kabwohe Nyamukana Mbarara City hamwe na Nyakarama ahabwa TV West ndera akiza
webade era akiza babatura abatwire aha office ya mujwecerwa wa mukuru wihanga mu district ya Kasese bagarukira mu makagabo batashemerirwe aba bakazo umwanya ugu bwanyuma ya government okucererwa kwigura ensharo z'amataka ahagati y'abarisa hamwe n'abahinji.
Gavumenti ya Uganda omu mwaka wa 2007 ekahereza abarisa hamwe n'abahinji itaka konko kuihobo na hati gavumenti ekaremwa kwigura ensharo ekizire kikagimesereza abaturo kuza ofisi ya RDC eyibamazire emyezi 3
abasongora mu batunya kwa maremetre twamabula aheri yatukarema twamabula ne sefizisi abana ekihu kyamaturema kandi obwe bibi byetu twabireke komwe koti ibye biri na ruamu ndeke
abantu bagira ngo bagenda tubashemerirwe bwanyuma ya government kucererwa kwigura ensharo
twendire mitima yetu sitaliga twamende mitima yetu ini nyuma neriba tukasabe government yitwibuke na tutuliba hibo musolo ke tukananga tuliba komi tunanu tunekiri obululu bungaho obwa tukende ha Museveni.
I request let them fulfill the promise that will bring our hearts to cool down. In fact, this has interrupted many people's minds. Even I know we are going in elections. This has interrupted many minds of the people.
Lieutenant Mate Magwara uri umwezi wa RDC wa district ya Kasese nagira ngo bahurire enshonga zabo zona ezurukwata amataka mbwenu bahumure nazija kukorwaho.
Category number 2 of the lands are those civil suits in courts. Those which have no connection with the settlement of Asongori in 2007. Those are like Butsumba, Koya Bataka versus Dan Ndahora Kasagama, Cherembe, Koya Western importers and the exporters.
The problem was on the beneficiary side. They wanted one cooperative to be registered in, to be the one to be in the title. They submitted the two. It took time for the government to decide. So the minister wrote to us requesting us that he will not come on 11th as he had the 3 months end on 11th.
Gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.
Gilbert Muhanguzi mu makuru agebye mizano timu ya Kampala Queens FC Elizoba yageraho okutendekwa okwaha muheru okwetekatechera okuritana na timu ya Ryan Sports omuzano gw'empaka za SECCO Zone Tournament ezo kutorana mu timera yetabo mu za CAF Champions League omuzano ogu nogo kuzanwa nyinchakare achai Kasarani omwihanga area Kenya omuri Nairobi.
Okay, thank you. My team effort has brought us to the semi-final. I appreciate my team for that. But now, this is a new task, a new challenge. At this level, there must be only one winner to go for the final.
Ndi musanyufu nnyo okujoininga Kampala Queens. Kyenyinza bagamba nze ng'omuntu ngenda kukola nnyo n'amaanyi okulaba nga nkuuma tiimu eno ku topa era nkowoola abawagizi ba tiimu n'abawagizi bange bonna gye muli musuubire ekyokyo okuva gye tuli.
Yes, we qualified for the semi-finals and it wasn't easy for us, but we'll try our level best so that we carry the trophy. There's too much competition. Everyone is trying the level best. Lions Sports is not an easy team. For us, we are ready and we are preparing very well for the semi-finals.